Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have a little bigger round canvas. It's 30 centimeter on diagonal, or whatever is the word for this. I didn't do this big round reverse flower dip yet, so I don't know how it will look, but we will see together. I will use some blues today, and I will start with this Windsor blue. And I will do wider layers, or what would the word for this be? I don't know. My stripes will be bigger, wider. And next is sky blue light mixed with my pearl medium. I hope that I will get kind of frosty effect with this one. I just hope so. And I will not add the wider stripes of pearls and metallics, just my other colors. I think that I will start here. This is manganese blue. And next will be some gold, metallic gold. And this is Prussian phthalo blue. And pearl white. This is my Nera and Flora playing. And now I will dump my paper towel with water only, for those who doesn't know that. doesn't, I don't know. And let's place it down. And now I will just gently press it down, just to make sure that everything is touching. So, and let's go to the lifting part. Oops. Oops. Just try to spread this a little bit. I don't know if I like this edge around. I think that I should use another color for my first, or I just added too much of it. If you remember that I do too wider line, so maybe this wasn't a good idea. But I like this center, but I really don't like this blue around, so probably I will pour over it. But for now I will leave it. Hey, hey. And I will see how this will dry, and I will decide what I will do with it, but this center is just beautiful. This pearl light blue, it's beautiful too, but not here with this edge. So, whoops, sorry. You see, maybe I will even paint this edge with this Windsor blue. And I think that then will be better. But this middle part I just love. This center is just gorgeous. So definitely little different. It's harder to lift up your paper towel when you work on bigger canvas, but I think that it still worked okay. So don't forget to join me on my live auction tomorrow, and if you find this video helpful, subscribe if you didn't yet, comment, tell me what you think. Did you try flower dip on bigger canvas yet, and how it worked for you? And see you on the next one. Bye.